Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein with eXp Realty coming to you live from 102 South Christmas Hill Road here in Titusville, 32796. We're going to go a little home tour here. A little bit of storage in this room right out here. We'll do a quick peek just so you can see. Enough room for some bikes or surfboards, things like that. We have our laundry in that closet right there. And we are going to jump right inside real fast here because it is hot out. So we're going to go inside. It is July in Florida. So, kitchen. Give you some good shots of everything. This home does need a little bit of work, a little bit of fixing up, but it is listed right now at $200,000. Could definitely use a new sink, but has some counters, definitely functionable if somebody needs a house at a reasonable price. We got a stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, cute little kitchen nook. And I love this floor here. You got a little space here on the side. If you have a big dining room table, you could always use that. But they've got it set up as a cute little office area. And again, love the flooring in the living room. It's super cute. While we're here, let me back up real quick because there's like a little bonus room out here that I'm not counting it as a bedroom. We do have 3 bedroom and 1.5 bath, but this technically has a closet, has an AC unit, and has windows. So in theory, definitely could be classified as a bedroom. Backyard does need a little bit of work, a little bit overgrown, lots of trees, but it is an amazing, nice area out there. Plenty of space to work with. So we're going to cruise right on down the hallway here. I'm going to try to avoid that mirror right there. Not sure if I pulled that off or not. Anyway, front door right there. This they're using kind of as a pantry area also. A little bit of an issue up top there with a little hole in the ceiling. And then this is the true pantry. So do have some storage in this one. This kitchen again from this side. We do have more cabinets, more counter space over here. And as we know, we all need as much counter space as we possibly can get. But quite a few cabinets up there, which is nice. We do have some terrazzo flooring here in the center part of the house. We go into the tile in the bathroom. And again, 1.5 bath. So you do have your tub shower combo on this side. Or sorry, 2.5. 1.5. Either way, you have 2 toilets and 1 tub shower combo. And then this goes into the primary bedroom. And daggone it, I'm trying super hard not to be in the photos. But we do have a decent sized bedroom here. Plenty of space. And then check this out. We got a walk-in closet. Walk-in closet with shelves. And looks like we have attic access up there. So again, decent sized bedroom here. And then check this out. Bedroom number 2. Look how big this is. Home is a little bit over 1,300 square foot, so it does have some decent size to it, so plenty to work with. And then bedroom number 3, again, good size. So definitely something to work with. I said they went into the terrazzo floor from the gorgeous flooring that they have here in the living room. Again, we are at 102 South Christmas. 102 South Christmas. I thought that sounded off. 102 South Christmas Hill Road here in Titusville, Florida. And if you are looking for a home that needs a little bit of elbow grease, this just might be the home for you. Not many houses out there on the market right now at that $200 price point. So I'd love for you to give me a call, Margaret Klein, 321-480-7662, if you would like to get in here and take a look at this little gem. And if you already have an agent, please feel free to give your agent a call and let them know. 102 South Christmas Hill Road here in Titusville, Florida, and they would be glad to set up a showing and get you in here as well. Again, a little bit of a kitchen view, living room, and signing off. Hope you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.